This video is a demonstration of how to transfer your files from the U drive to the new Google Drive. You should have an icon on your desktop that says Google Drive Setup. You want to make sure that this icon has the correct icon logo, which is the Google Drive triangle. If the triangle is not there, please contact the technology department. Once you have the correct icon, you can double click on it and it will open a page for you to sign in to Google Drive. Mine is slightly different as I have already been signed in to Google Drive on this computer. You'll notice that this is my username at newcastleschools.org. Over the summer we have transferred from the at newcastleschools.org to at ncweb.me. When you open your page to sign in, this is the screen that you will have. So your email address is your username at ncweb.me. I'm going to use the Tech Office account for this demonstration. The password will be the same password that you used to sign in to your computer and will change when you change the password on the computer. It will also change on Google. Once you have the password typed in, click Sign In. You will have a few pages of just some brief information about Google Drive. Click Next to go through these. When you get to the final step and it says you're all set, when you click Next, you may notice that your screen flashes. That's okay and is normal. Two things will happen after the flash. You will see that a folder is open and files could possibly start showing up, and you will also see that you have an icon on your desktop that says Google Drive. Once you have this folder, you can move it over to one side of your screen and then open up your U drive. For this demonstration, I'm using a different type of U drive, but it's the same concept. So you will open your U drive, and you should have files in your U drive. Once you have your files showing up, you want to click in the white area and press and hold Control and press A. This will select all of the files. Now you want to press and hold Control and press C. This will copy all of the files. Once you've done that, come over to the Google Drive and click in the white area. Press and hold Control and press V. This will paste the files. Depending on how many files you have, it may take longer for yours than others. Once the transfer is complete, you can close the U drive. One part that is very important about Google Drive is the triangle that is down in the taskbar by the clock. You want to make sure that this triangle is here. You want to check this multiple times per day to make sure that everything is syncing. As you can tell, when I mouse over, it says syncing 2 of 3. Very soon this will say sync complete. You can also tell that in the folder Google Drive there are folders and files with checkboxes and some that have the arrows. If they have the arrows, that means that that file is still syncing. If the check is there, that means that sync is complete on that file. If you are trying to reach these files on other computers, it is very important that the check is there. If you have the arrows or an X, that means that the file has not synced yet or is in the process of syncing and will not show up on other computers. If you notice that the triangle is not showing up by the clock, all you have to do is double click on the Google Drive setup again and it will open. As you can tell, I have completely synced my files now. I'm going to refresh the page, and as you can tell, all 3 of the files that I copied are now checked and have copied and synced. If you have any further questions about how to transfer from the U drive to the Google Drive, please contact the Technology Department.